Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atineke. So today I'll be showing you how I achieve this lovely DIY ventilating 4x4 closure. Can you see how the root looks? It looks so natural. So I've already ventilated half of the closure off camera. So let's get started. So before we start, as I said, I already ventilate half of the closure. So now I'm going to be putting parting. So this is the hair I'm going to be using, expression braiding hair. I did the cutting into 6. Yes, the cutting is 6 cut 6. That means I cut a whole of expression braiding hair. I cut it into 6. So I'm ready to show you guys how you have to fold the tip before ventilating. Guys, if you're a beginner, I won't advise you to start with a 4x4. You can easily start with 2x2 or 1x4 or 2x4 if you're a beginner, because like me, I can finish this in a day, but I have kids, I have other things to attend to. So just going off and on. Normally you can finish this a day. Yes, within a day. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm using my crochet pin. I said crochet pin. Ventilation pin. I'll just pick like 2 strand or 3 strand. Then I'll ventilate. I'll allow you guys to keep on watching, because if I'm talking, I don't think you will really get what I'm trying to explain. So just stay focus on what you're watching. Look at the direction the ventilating pin is going. So keep on enjoying this amazing video. I'm very sure you're going to learn 1 or 2. Even though you don't know how to ventilate, you are going to learn 1 or 2 ventilating idea from this video. So kindly please keep on watching and make sure it thumbs up for this video so that I can upload more amazing DIY. So you can see I already kept my pattern. It depends how you want your pattern to be obvious. Me, I love leaving only 2 lines so that the pattern will be very obvious. It's not a must you should leave 2 lines. It depends on your choice. So you can see I keep ventilating, just taking a little strand, like 2 to 3 strands of hair. Then make sure the crochet, oh my god, make sure the ventilating hook is facing down before you bring it out. Don't worry, once in a while the ventilating hook can stuck to your lace net, but be careful on how you're going to bring that out so that it won't rip the lace net. Then sometimes, if you're a beginner, you can easily put your ventilating hook into the net and you pick anything. It happens to me also, so don't worry about that. So can you please keep on watching. good close-up again for you to see, so that you understand what I'm trying to explain. Anytime I'm ventilating and I'm close to finish, oh my god, I'm always happy. The joy, the happiness, oh my god. And this closure came out so good. So good. So comment down below if you want me to do a full cap like a full ventilating cap for braided wig, for jumbo braided wig. Comment down below if you want to see that also. So thank you so much for watching. Keep on watching for you to see the final look of this DIY ventilating closure. Now I just want to show you guys the pattern. Can you see? And the way I did the front, no need of me plucking, nothing. So that is it. That is it. Can you see? It looks so natural. So natural. Can you see? No one is going to know that is a DIY. I don't know what I'm going to use this closure to make yet. I don't know what I'll use it to make, but video will be coming up very soon on what I'm going to be using to achieve. I just want to show you guys how the back looks like. So those white residues you're seeing from my mannequin head, so that is all from my phone. I use my phone for you to see how natural this looks like. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always.